Philly Sour Apple is a crisp and tangy drink, representing the Philadelphia Eagles, inspired by the city's love for bold flavors and the famous Philly cheesesteak. This cocktail combines vodka with sour apple liqueur and a splash of lemon juice for a refreshing twist. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces vodka as the base of the sour apple cocktail, 1 ounce sour apple liqueur for a tangy, fruity flavor, half an ounce lemon juice for a bright, citrusy twist, 1 apple slice for garnish, 1 lemon twist for garnish. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, strainer, martini glass, ice. Here are the instructions. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice. Add vodka, sour apple liqueur, and lemon juice to the shaker. Shake well until chilled. Strain into a martini glass. Garnish with an apple slice and lemon twist. Philadelphia is known for its love of bold flavors, from cheesesteaks to soft pretzels. The sour apple flavor in this cocktail is a nod to the city's vibrant culinary scene.